Attention all citizens. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. Unidentified intruders have detonated a bomb inside Mako Reactor 1. Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire. In response, a disaster warning has been issued in Sectors 1 and 8. Structures in the area are at high risk of collapse, rendering the entire sector hazardous. Therefore, all residents of
No way.
This couldn't have been us, could it?
But what if it was?
What's done is done.
Merc's right. It ain't pretty, but we can't stop now. This was just the first reactor, and the planet won't be safe till we get the rest.
Yeah. We always knew this was gonna get messy.
And this is only the beginning.
Y'all gotta look at the bigger picture here. Nothing worth fighting for was ever won without sacrifice. Though you may not be crying out, I know you're in pain, just like the planet. But it's okay, cause I'm here for you, to help take the load off your shoulders. Your fears, your worries, your concerns, and yes, your fees. Whatever your problem, I got you.
So, what's our next move, boss?
That's easy enough. We get our asses home! We'll split up and shoot for the last train home. Regroup in the freight car. Got it?
Later then.
Hey, I'd like my money now.
You can have it once we're back at base.
Yoo-hoo. I don't need to tell you what this is, right?
Of course not. It's healing materia.
You can have it for saving my life.
Just doing my job, nothing more.
Yeah. Fact is, I'm lucky you were there.
Survival can be a matter of luck or skill. And you can't rely on luck.
Words to live by.
Yeah, well, thanks.
You do know how to use it, right?
You do know what I was, right?
Okay, I was only trying to help. Oh, before I forget, here's a little something extra for being so brave. That really was the ride of a lifetime. Well, see you on the train.
You don't think this was blue time?
Multiple explosions have been confirmed, as well as ongoing fire.
I was on my way to see my friends.
Station's intact. What the? It couldn't be. But then... The hell? Wait. You're not real. You're dead.
I am.
I killed you with my own...
Oh, you need not remind me. It was the crowning moment of our time together. But that was then, and this is now. I have a favor to ask. Our beloved planet is dying. Slowly. Silently. Painfully. Can you bear to see the planet suffer? Cloud. Were the planet to die, so many things would be lost. Your hometown, Earth so bright, the sound of her voice, pleading for me to spare you, the shiver of her flesh yielding to cold steel. That which binds us together would be no more, and I would be loath to live in such a world, which is why I must ask you this one favor. Don't worry, it's a simple thing. Run, Cloud. Run away. You have to leave. You have to live.
You bastard! Yeah!
Good, Cloud. Very good. Hold on to that hatred.
I'm seeing things. Fumes from all the Mako, maybe. All right. You got this.
What's going on?
Whoever did this...
There's no way to the occupants, buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once.
Man, what a mess.
This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations
Do
Center.
what you like. I'm
An
taking the kids.
evacuation order has been issued to the occupants, buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway.
are too weak to save anyone. Not even yourself.
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Here, this is for you.
Huh? A flower?
That's right. It's a gift. You know, for scaring those things away.
What things?
Never mind. Think of it as a memento.
Just my luck.
I heard that, you know.
How much?
Well, that depends on the customer. In your case, it's on the house.
Huh?
Lovers used to give these when they were reunited.
Look, I'm involved in things. Dangerous things.
Oh, I'm sure you are. So?
So keep your distance.
Wait, you think someone's out to get you? Is that what you're all worked up about? Relax. No one's going to attack you. I promise.
Hey, a Mako reactor just blew. You shouldn't be out here trying to sell.
Help me! What are they?
Drop your weapon!
Are you blind?
You know, you're right.
Wait!
Nice meeting you.
Sword on the ground! Right now!
Calling fire. That's that. No escape. Not bad.
Stop!
The area near the expressway is extremely dangerous. Those in the vicinity are instructed to
Calling fire.
and avoid the plaza.
No escape. Going in.
Train services may be suspended without warning. Your vehicle are requested.
Burn.
This is an alert from the
That
Shinra
it?
Emergency Operations Center. The area near the expressway is still extremely dangerous. Those in the vicinity are instructed to leave immediately. If you need to access the train station, please take the vehicle and avoid the plaza near the expressway.
There he is! Go to hell! Not going anywhere!
Sector 8, Unit 4, we have eyes on the target. We need backup. I repeat.
No escape.
Requesting immediate backup.
Nothing to it.
All clear.
Calling fire. All right. Let's finish this. Time to burn. Going in. Enough. Let's go.
Just give it up! Don't run!
See ya.
There's nowhere to run!
Need a light? Let's do this. That's that. No, we'll just see it. It's over. No escape. Enough.
You are clearly engaged.
From the Shinra Emergency
Let's do
Operations
it. Alright. This won't take long. That's that. Stay. Going in. Now you're in for it.
Don't let him escape! Get him out!
Move in! All fighters converge and provide immediate support!
Calling fire. Burn. Enough. Time to burn.
Target still mobile! Support! Proceed to rally point at the station!
But the rooftops are clear.
Over there! Open fire! Shoot to kill!
Close call.
Be advised! Target approaching residential area! Steel Hall access immediately!
Target sighted! Get him!
It's all or nothing now.
Don't underestimate him!
No escape. I'm waiting. Was never in doubt.
I see him!
Enough. Time to burn. That it?
Confirmed! Target has entered residential area! All lockdown is in effect! Hold your target!
You're mine now!
Need a light? Not bad.
Target spotted! Moving to intercept!
Grenade out! Not enter outside for an announcement.
Get the bastard!
That's that. Let's do this.
Come and get!
I won't give up. That's that. Enough, boy. Calling fire. was never in doubt.
He's here!
That's that.
Enemy combatants, you have been warned. Surrender yourself to public security immediately. Quick, nowhere to run.
Let's do this. Brace yourself. See ya.
Stop resisting.
Sorry. All right, it's over. Nothing to it.
End of the line, look. I'm gonna enjoy this.
Time to burn. It's over.
You're dead meat.
That's that. Need a light? Time to burn. That's it. Sorry. Sloppy. Won't last long. Brace yourself.
I'll tear you apart.
Game over, huh? That's that. Here we go. That's that. See ya. Need a light? Time to burn. Brace yourself. You're mine. That's right.
Move in! Don't let him escape! HQ, this is Sector 8, Unit 2. Target is surrounded. Moving to secure.
Wait! I know that.
Guess Cloud won't be joining us after all.
No need to assume the worst. I'm sure he's fine. You saw him in action, didn't you? Guy's a soldier. Goddamn one-man army.
You think he's a keeper?
On my go. You had me worried for a minute. What the hell you been up to, huh?
Giving public security the runaround. That's what. Had to draw them away from the station somehow.
Nicely done.
Well, can't argue with results, huh? What?
Wait. Got a question for you all.
What?
Ever been attacked by an invisible enemy?
What?
Wearing robes. Came and went like the wind.
Thought they were invisible.
They were, at first. Only saw them after she grabbed me.
A new Shinra weapon, maybe?
More like a panic-induced hallucination.
Never mind. Forget I said anything.
Suit yourself. Come on, let's move up.
A lot of people here.
And in the freight car, too.
Because of the evacuation order, maybe?
Lucky
This
us.
train from
We've got a crowd to
Sector 8
hide in.
Station is fast.